My wife recently got into baking. She made these delicious chocolate chip cookies, whole plate of them, and she gave me one, and then she ate one, and she's like, all right, and then she got out all this saran wrap. It's just like, no more cookies? She's like, no, you don't want to spoil your supper. And then I went and took a nap. That was the only way I could get my mind off the cookies. During my nap, she left to go get her nails done, and as soon as I heard the door close, I just sat up. I ran to the cookies. My brain was like, cookies! And I ripped the cellophane right off. She's like, did you get into the cookies? I was like, what?